What's going on, YouTube? This is Striker 650 again with you guys, and today we're gonna make a video about counter steering. A couple of folks saw my videos, and they were asking me to do a video about counter steering. So let me go ahead and put my gloves on real quick, and we can get going. Okay, so we ready? Let's go. Hold on a minute. So yeah, counter steering video. This is pretty much counter steering happens on all two-wheel vehicles that pass 17 miles per hour. So So yeah, counter steering, it happens on every two-wheel vehicle that happens to pass 17 miles per hour. Sorry about that. So pretty much the concept is that when you're counter steering, it's not like a car. It's not like if you turn right, you're gonna go right, or if you turn left, you're gonna go left. It's actually the opposite. If you turn right after you pass 70 miles per hour or so, you're actually gonna go the opposite direction. So the best way to do this, guys, is push on your handlebars. Wherever you push, that's where you're actually gonna go. So there's a turn coming up. So if you guys can see, I'm not using my other handlebar, but I'm pushing on this one on the left, so I'm going left. And I'm pushing on the right, and I'm gonna go right. So that's pretty much it about counter steering. It's really nothing special about it. Your body will know what to do. You know, it's like an instinct thing. It's not like something you can, I mean, I can tell you, I'm here telling you how to do it, but it's not something that you really have to learn it. You'll get used to it. It's really your body, you do it by itself. Also, when you come into the curbs, you want to get in the inside of the curb. Like if you're going left, you know what I'm saying? Don't go in from the outside. So you see I'm here, I'm going to the inside. Also, when you're turning, guys, you know, you want to be mindful. You want to slow down, because the faster you're going, the more you're going to have to lean the bike. You know, and since you're new to riding, you might have an accident. So, you know, you slow down when you're turning, especially on the big curves. Going downhill right here. Yeah, this is Germany. The streets are so small, it's like crazy. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, when you're turning, you want to get on the inside of the curve. And when you ride, don't be in the middle of the road, because that's where usually oil stays at, especially when it rains. So you want to be on the inside. Okay. Also, another thing about turning, don't brake when you're turning. If you have to, I mean, I guess you have to, but try not to. That's why we say slow down when you're turning or whatever. Because if you brake, you know, there's a high chance that your bike will fall. So same thing as shifting gears. Don't ever shift gears when you are turning. Why? Because there's a chance, like, if you change gear and let's say you change the wrong gear, your bike will lock. The back wheel will lock on you and you will go down. Believe me, there's two type of riders: the ones that have gone down and the ones that will. So come here to stop sign. What else can I talk about? I mean, that's about it, really. Counter steering, you know, push left, you go left, push right, you go right. And it's pretty easy thing. Let me know what you guys think about my videos. Comment, you know, shoot me an email if you guys want to have more videos, and give me the topics or whatever. And I'll see you guys around. So let me go ahead and stop right here. My next video, I'm gonna make it about engine braking. See ya, YouTube.